Wait 5 more minutes. We'll discuss about profile to profile migration in IBM WebSphere application server. This is profile to profile migration. This is about profile to profile migration. In the migration overview consists of these are the techniques applicable in the migrations. First one is configuration management option and application monitoring option. Everything will be included in this. See, in the introduction, they will see about version to version migration. See, application server version to version means V85 to V90 migration as well as moving to the Liberty. Okay. Liberty, and this will includes very customer policies and customer procedures and all the things. We will see in detail one by one. What is the migration? This is the migration overview. See, first we are planning. First planning, testing and tuning, rollout, education and build, migration and configuration, topology and runtime. These are the migration policies in the migration. Migration consists of configuration migration is there, application migration. Migration consists of two types. Okay. In the migration policies includes one is migration, configuration migration, application migration, and both are combined into migration environment. In the migration, there are changes about testing and all things 37%, and migration configuration 25%. These are the migrations. Configuration version. These are the versions. Okay. These are the versions applicable. In configuration purpose, V0, V6 to V8. These are the varies. V85 is minimal and V855 is port assignment and all the things. These are the external summaries. Okay, these are the summaries. After these are the product terminologies. These are the product terminology. Just enough runtime and a low operating cost and continuous delivery and zero migrations. and zero migration, Kubernetes and all the things. After that, zero migration with Liberty means no configuration behavior changes and no runtime behavior, no removal, just rebuild all the changes. These are the hybrid WebSphere include WebSphere application server include. These are the technologies included. Moderation development tools means these are the toolkit. WebSphere migration toolkit also included in the developer tools. These are the roadmap. These are the roadmap for migration assessment, post analysis and planning, and what are the development terminologies and application code migration and runtime migration and test production and review the result. These are the includes. These are the assessment purpose. Assessment purpose. We need to analyze the what is the changes are the thing. We need to analyze all the things. Any code changes, any reviews, any testing, all the things. These are the runtime environment for migration. After migration, we need to test the application. See assessment, planning, skills, development, all the steps completed, we need to test. After test, production and review the results. These are the application migration consists of same. All the planning, all the changes are completed. We need to review the results. Now we are going to, we have two versions, two environments. Okay, these are the in currently we are in 8.5 version. In this now in morning in my practice, I created a dummy profiles and roll back and take the backup of the existing environment and roll back and restore the new environment by using restore config.sh profiles. I will show you. I will delete existing profiles. OPT IBM WebSphere app server and bin ps-f pipe symbol grep Java. No process is running. Manage profiles.sh hyphen delete profile name dmjar1 // manage profiles.sh hyphen delete hyphen profile name appsrv01 // hyphen delete hyphen profile name appsrv02. Meanwhile, I will open another machine. I will open another machine that will be running under V85. Currently, we are in V90. This is V85. See, these are the V85. Take backup of the V85 by using backup config.sh. After deleting all profiles, we need to restore V85 profiles into the current existing V90 environment. I will show you the step-by-step process. Now I deleted, see, cd logs ls space hyphen ltrh rm space rf manage profiles and remove the profiles directory rm space rf. Now we are in v90 dot slash history info dot sh. Now we are currently v90 configurations. See, v90 in another VMware. This is v85 and I will take backup and dmgr and bin. Now I taken backup of config. This is yesterday I had taken the backup. Again, if you want to take backup config.sh hyphen no stop. By using this, you can take the backup by using existing same thing. All servers we need to take backup. Same command I will run here. V85 I'm taking backup. Okay, please keep remember. CD bin. This is V85. See, I am in V85 server. This is V8.5.21. One machine is 8.5, another machine is 9.0. Different host. We need to migrate profile to profile migration. Don't confusion here. We need to confidently migrate it with V85 to V90 with the proper steps. Completed migration, backup completed. See, my machine name is IP space A. This is V85, V85. Another machine is V90, IP space A. This is V90. These are the migration. Now WinSCP. Now I am logging two machines by using WinSCP. And this machine also I need to log in. Two machines I taken already. I have taken backup of app server. And these we need to create three folders in the local and take configuration of backup configuration folder in V85. Okay, go to create profiles in V90 dummy profiles pwd dot slash manage profiles dot sh hyphen create hyphen profile name, same profile name and same cells, same nodes, same port number need to be present in V90 also. Otherwise difficult to find out issues. profile path, IBM WebSphere app server. Under that profiles, under that DMGR01 hyphen template path, management hyphen cell name DMGR underscore cell 1. Same configuration need to be present under V90 also. After this, we can press enter. Same configuration I existing in the V85. Same configuration need to be present under V90. Dummy profile. This is the dummy profile. Okay. This is one of the dummy profile. Now, wait 2 more minutes. It will complete installation of DMGR01 profile. Now, same thing here. Remove DMGR and press put replace APPSRV1 and replace APPSR. Sorry, APPSRV and management. We need to use default template. Replace with the DMGR1. We need to replace app server 1 instead of DMGR. We need to mention app server 1 and server name need to mention. We don't have any server name. We own server name. We need to present hyphen server name test to server hyphen server type application underscore server. This is the dummy profiles. Okay. Any doubts, please mention the chart. Any doubts? Any doubt clarification, please mention the chart. I will clarify the doubts. Now I will use same server, but node names are different and the cell names are different and the profile name is different. Okay, now we are under V90. Now we are entering all backups into the V90 folders. OPT, IBM, WebSphere, App Server, under the profiles, DMGR, V85 DMGR backup will be entering into here. And App Server one, these are the backups of V85. These are the V85 backups. Okay. We need to restore them into V90 folders. Okay. Now CD profiles, CD DMGR, and change the permissions. CD bin dot slash restore, sorry, CD DMGR under that bin dot slash restore config.sh. Under that, this is the restore of old profiles, V85 profiles into the V90. This is profile to profile migration. Hyphen profile name. In the V85, JDK is 1.8. After that, it will not start the DMGR, but we need to set JDK after completion of all profiles restoration. ls space hyphen ltrh ch mode hyphen r 775 cd under that bin same dot slash restore config.sh hyphen profile name appsrv01. We need to restore old backup profiles into the V90 folder, exact environment. No need to create a cluster and all the thing. See, it's not there. See, Something is a mistake here. That why it will not restore it. I will see what is the mistake here. If anything mistake, it will not be a rollback. If not be a rollback, see, it will be now it will be, you need to delete these profiles because this profile have no server. By mistakenly it will create manage profiles.sh hyphen delete hyphen profile name appsrv01. Same configurations only we need to take. rm space rf slash opt ivm websphere app server profiles. Under that app server 1, we need to remove here. After that, go to the logs, go to manage profiles and app server 1, app server 1 underscore create.log. Okay, now recreate the profiles. The app server 1, we need to recreate. Where mistake can happen, we need to recover that mistakes. Everything is same. Server name test hyphen server type application underscore server. Command is same, but why it's creating? See, it is success or not, we can verify one more time now. Profile app server 1 under that bin dot slash server status dot sh hyphen all. Yes, now it's perfect. Now it's perfect. Now I will roll back. Now we can enter the backup here. Okay, now enter the back. Now it refresh. Backup is not there. We need to enter the backup. This is the server one. chmod -r 775 cd bin dot slash restore config.sh. After that, profile name appsrv01. Exactly same name, same configuration, same cells, same port numbers. This is WAS9. Don't touch anything in WAS8. See, still somewhere mistake. cd logs cat. See, here is the mistake. Port number is not there. WAS8.5 port number we can verify. Port number mismatch also it will not occur. Same port number, same cells. See 9061, but V90 9065. Why 9065? That is in the app server 2 is there or not? We can verify. 9062 is there, but here 9062 are there or not? We can verify. App server 2. See, this is success. Only we have problem with app server 1. We need to troubleshoot this. We need to delete pro app server 1. Now cd logs cd manage profiles ls space -ltr rm space rf app server 1 underscore. Okay, app server 1 is not there. cd profiles rm space rf app server 1. I am in WAS9. Okay, We need to verify port number is same or not. Same port number, but we need to modify. If not same port number, I will use my own port number at that time. .9061 I am using iPhone starting port. iPhone starting port 9061. Same. I will do one thing. I will create this profile into another directory. because I installed so many times in my practice. That why it will come different port number. In real time, we are only one time only we are did. That why no issues in the real time. Another directory. This also not same. We can change the port number. Okay. We can change the port number itself in the server index.xml. Same. Go. We can change the port number and delete and change the port number. Okay. I will delete DMGR also. I made a mistake that I made a small mistake here. If possible, installation manager Eclipse tools /imcl list installed packages -long. Now I will remove everything and reinstall, because we need to profile them into same port numbers. Hyphen installation directory. Otherwise, it may be difficult to identify. uh, Uninstall rm/rf/opt IBM WebSphere. That's it. Now I will reinstall /imcl install offering ID and JDK installation directory OPT IBM OPT IBM WebSphere app server -accept license -show progress -repositories OPT IBM OPT under the WAS repository.config. This is the WAS9 installations. After WAS9, we need to create the profiles. We have steps are there, no issues. Don't press Control C and all the things. And started cd/opt IBM WebSphere app server bin. We have command are there. Don't panic. Same port number as V85. Okay. First, this is my IP address. In this V9.0 and this is V85. Taken backup of V8.5 profiles by using /backup config.sh -no stop and keep it in the local Windows desktop by using WinSCP tool. All profiles, okay, and navigate V90 machine. Need to install IM and WASv9.0 and create profiles in V90 machine with same port name, same configurations, same cells, same port numbers, ports like V85. That wise, I copy pasted here. That wise, I need to copy paste. Just change here appsrv hyphen server name test hyphen server type appsrv, and here default template we are using appsrv1. After that, we need to federate them into DMGR for each profiles in the V90 machines. Then we need to restore old profiles into existing V90 environment. Now create profiles, app server 2, node name and cell name we need to change server 2. That's it. After that, in V90 machines, created the profiles. Wait 2 more minutes. We need to start the profiles. In V85 clusters are created. Now here, same thing we need to federate it. That's it. Remaining everything will be automatic restores. Go to here, go to profiles, refresh. Old server profile backup, refresh. Right click, change the permissions. Now cd app server 1 logs. Yes, now it's success. Now bin add node.sh. Now I am doing add node.sh 8879. After add node.sh, we need to restore exact profiles in V85. We need to restore in the V90 folders. Okay. Bin dot slash from scratch onwards. I am doing migration. We don't touch anything in V85. Okay. Only V90 only we are touch. Now I will restore cd profiles dmgr. under that bin dot slash restore config.sh hyphen profile name dmjar01. Profile is dmjar01. Okay. dmjar01. dmjar01. Now same thing here. We need to restore. This is the restore process. Sorry. Undo. After that, now we can set the was home echo dollar was home. We need to set was home is equal to opt IBM WebSphere app server. Okay. Now okay. Echo Java home. We need to set Java is not there. We can set Java home app server under Java 8.0 JRE under that bin. We need to set the Java. After that, we need to enable the JDK. What is the JDK? We need to enable JDKs. After that, not enable, we need to change the host names. Okay, that is the mandatory step. Under the bin dot slash ws admin dot sh hyphen lang jthon hyphen con type none. dmjar underscore node 1 host name was server. After restore host name will be localhost. We need to change. After that, admin config save. Same thing. We need to change the host name. Localhost is there. We can change. Admin config save. And admin task that host was server. Mm, config save. This is the host name changing for app server 2. After that, need to enable HDKs. Need to enable SDKs. This is SDK, but we are in 1.8 SDK, but we need to change. dot slash manage stk.sh hyphen list available. Okay, now same thing. We need to pwd dot slash dot manager dot sh. We need to start the dmjar. Say dmjar is started. Now same thing in app server also. Okay, now go to app server one, go to bin dot slash synchro dot sh dmjar host name. You can see we need to press yes. V85 certificate is there. We need to import config admin. See, synchro dot is success. Now, now, now we can use manage SDK command in app server one also. Now again sync. After that, we need to sync. Then start the after migration, TMJR and app server is starting. Any issues we need to troubleshoot in this class? Node is started. Mhm. Now go to app server 2, cd bin, manage SDK, app server 2, run the manage SDK command to set the SDKs. This is the SSL signer exchange. Adding under trust.p12. Okay. Dot slash synchro.sh. Now it's enabled. First sync, then node. Okay. Then manage SDK. Double 879. Okay. 8878 is not there. Now profile is enabled SDK. Okay. Again sync. My LDAP server is config admin. So I need given config admin. Now starting. Now DMJR is starting. Say node also starting. This is the profile to profile migration. next to server and cluster, then we need to access the application. $168. Go to applications. We are not, I'm not deploying any application. WASv8.5 application only we can import it here automatically by using configuration. See, partially green means this is not started. Server is not started that wise. This is the migration. One profile to another profile with different hosts. Cluster also starting. After this, successfully migrated our servers. Before that, we are accessing or not, we can verify. Started. Now application is green. See, now I am accessing the application. HTTPS security purpose 192.168.113.128.9.445. I am accessing 9.446. accessing the port number. Okay, this is the way to migrate one profile to another profile. Okay, please share to your friends and family members, those who are learning WebSphere application server and WebLogic. We are teaching with both courses and DevOps and AWS also we can teach. Okay, I am stop the sharing and stop the live.